Why looking pro is so important. And I hate this video. I hate everything about it. And I'd love to tell you none of this matters, but it does. And the proof of why it does matter is this video and this setup. You'll notice I don't have my coffee. My coffee machine's over here. I don't have my coffee machine and sound system in the background. No. I have all my expensive equipment, because instantly you look at this video, you see this stuff and go, probably knows what he's talking about. He's got a lot of expensive kit back there. That is why this matters. And yes, it shouldn't matter. Yes, it does. Now, here are some things I've noticed to make the difference. And first of all, don't go and buy all of these things just because I've listed them now. This has been like a life's collecting of expensive kit. But the first thing is light stands. Nothing says amateur like cheap light stands. Get some good C stands, get some good boom arms, get some good bits, get some good stands. Good stands make you look pro. Those cheap black ones that you just flip over, they look amateur hour. And make sure on top of that light stand, you're putting a good light. A Broncolor or Pro Photo is industry standard. If you're feeling particularly flush, a Breeze. But make sure it's good lights on there, not Godox or Len Carter or Pixar Pro. They don't look pro. They just don't. And, you know, they're good, they're great, they do a great job, but they don't look pro. And of course, something which really matters is a proper tripod or salon stand. If you've got a cheap, flimsy, aluminium, carbon fiber, knock it over thing, it doesn't look pro. You want something that if you walk into it, you come off worse. That makes a big difference. Have a proper salon stand, have a proper tripod. Don't mess around with it. Now, something else which I really notice in every set is when you're using your Pro Photo or Broncolor lights, go for the packs and heads. They look more pro. If you've just got the monoblocks, they don't look as pro. Sure, they might be more convenient sometimes, but we're talking about looking pro here. Packs and heads look pro. Nothing says pro like turning up with 10 score row packs and 20 heads. That's pro. All in the nice flight cases. Look, let me show you. Score row packs in a flight case, ready to go. This is how you should roll up to a shoot. Everything in flight cases. Now, the next thing, when you've got your clients around, they need their own monitor and they want an ISO. Yes, I use BenQ. I can't tell the difference between ISO and BenQ. Looks the same to me. BenQ's cheaper. I buy BenQ. But they want an ISO. And so much so that nobody says, can I have a monitor? Even if they don't care about the brand, it's so deeply ingrained in the industry that people say, can I have an ISO? Now, all of those things I think are ridiculous, and I fundamentally disagree with them mattering, but they do, and it does make you look more pro. But the last one, I've got a real strong opinion on this, and this, nothing boils my as much as this. And that is people shooting with the lens hood on backwards. Either don't use it or attach it correctly. Why would you have it on backwards? I know that's how you store the camera. I get that, and you've just been too lazy to turn it around. Take it off or put it on forwards. It looks rubbish. Lens hoods are beautiful. They make the lens look sleek and sexy. Sure, it looks all right like this, but it looks horrific if you're shooting like this. Why? I don't understand it. Never have your lens hood on backwards. Either lose it or put it on properly. You look like an amateur. You look like an absolute amateur. I also think the same for camera straps, unless they're designed like this. But that's. I understand some of you may need a camera strap, but really lose them. Because if you're a real pro, either you're holding your camera or your assistant is. It's not around your neck. We don't hold our own cameras around our necks. We're not savages. Get rid of the straps. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.